So this is a lovely make-ahead breakfast, perfect for a weekend treat. We're just going to be stewing down these plums into a very hot pan with a little bit of water. The water just helps it to catch. So yeah, we're just going to stew this down, let the flavours really start to mature, and then let it cool. Ridiculous, so good. So this compote has cooled down nicely. I'm just going to carefully put some in the bottom of here. I'm going to put a little layer of yoghurt in there. Cut fresh raspberries in there. These porridge oats. You could use like a cooked granola if you wanted to. Top of this in the middle. A couple of these on top. And there you go, a nice simple breakfast parfait.